And I just kind of wonder, where do you just find $5 billion lying around?
Well, it's a good question, and you've got a lot of experts going through the records of FTX. This was a normal, routine day in bankruptcy court in Delaware to address various issues for FTX, the crypto exchange, and related entities that suddenly and dramatically collapsed in early November. And we know, as Sherry references, that the new FTX CEO has said it was highly unlikely anyone would recover losses. So it was a surprise that FTX Group advisors found more than $5 billion in cash or crypto assets that it says may be able to help pay creditors back. This came from lawyers at the hearing who said they're working to monetize assets with a book value of $4.6 billion. The advisors say they also have found a large amount of other crypto assets that are illiquid and therefore hard to sell. Again, they've been sorting through what's left of the company to try to find this. Former FTX CEO and co-founder Sam Bankman-Fried has been arrested and charged with 8 criminal counts and now faces trial in October. 2 of his inner circle close advisors who helped run FTX and related entities, the hedge fund, have pled guilty and are cooperating with prosecutors at this point. And Bankman-Fried faces trial in October. Meanwhile, FTX advisors have identified more than 9 million customer accounts, according to the lawyers. Again, they're saying they don't know yet how much money creditors will get back. We do know the judge is allowing creditors' names to be kept secret for a bit more time. You're looking at the embattled shares of Coinbase, the crypto exchange that has put in place another round of layoffs, cutting 20% of remaining staff. They are now saying they've decided to close the bulk of operations in Japan as part of a move to adjust to the dramatic downturn in the volume of digital asset trading, which is affecting its revenue. Meanwhile, in a vote of confidence in crypto, El Salvador passed a law that would allow the country to raise funds through the world's first sovereign blockchain bond. So that'll be interesting to watch going forward.
We're also seeing pressure really growing on Barry Silbert as the head of the DCG crypto empire. That's taken a big hit since the collapse of FTX.
Yeah, Silbert, a very big name on Wall Street and in the crypto world. His DCG empire owns multiple entities. You've got the Genesis Global Capital, which is now frozen funds, Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, which is trading at a discount. Layer on that Bloomberg sources have said is DCG. Dealings are now under scrutiny by U.S. authorities, and Silbert wrote to investors just yesterday, tried to allay concerns, saying it's the most difficult year ever, and saying bad actors playing a role.